Hi. So in the previous video, I demonstrated how to connect Data Lake to Power BI Desktop. I have I've loaded the data in the desired format. Now I'm going to be creating some basic visualization. So as we explored previously, this data is about the number of drivers in each country, which can be drilled down to a specific city. So I'll be first making on the high level, I want to see which country has the greatest number of drivers. Um, Let me choose a tree diagram. I'll start with, so on a high level, I'll look at the number of drivers in each country. So I'll load the country by group and I'll put the same information in the values. See what happens. So now I have USA, the biggest number of drivers information that is available. I'll enable the the labels so that I can see the number clearly. Data labels is on. I'll make it a little bigger here. So now I have this information available. I'll make it a little bigger. Okay. Now I from the country, my next drill down would be the cities. So I'll make another map visualization. I'll put a map here and I'll put the cities and I'll put the count in the size by city and see what happens. Okay, okay. So here is the distribution of the drivers by each country and by cities of the world. I can drill down and see which city. So I can see the distribution of drivers in the United States. Portland has the greatest number, followed by the others, which has one each. And I can zoom in further I can drill down further. So to drill down further, I'll make a table and I'll add the name, the maybe the city in which the driver exists and the address, maybe the cell number if I want to call him. I'll make the text a little bigger. Yeah. So here I have the basic data visualization of the driver's information. I can drill down from the country to specific cities and I can further drill down to the detail of a particular driver existing in a particular city. So thanks for watching this video. I'll upload more videos regarding visualization. Thank you.